Get ready for a major shakeup in Samsung's flagship lineup. If you've been watching the Samsung Galaxy S series year after year, here's something that might really surprise you. The upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup looks set to break tradition, with the standard S26 model reportedly being replaced entirely by a new S26 Pro variant. That change alone is enough to get people talking, but there's more brewing beneath the surface. According to trusted insider Digital Chat Station, the Galaxy S26 Pro, model number SMS9420, is tipped to feature a slightly larger 6.27-inch display, perfect for those who enjoy a bit more visual real estate but don't want an oversized phone. But here's where it gets controversial. The battery is getting bumped up to a 4,300 mAh capacity. On paper, that's only a minor upgrade from the Galaxy S25's 4,000 mAh battery. Some might wonder, is a 300 mAh increase really enough to make a noticeable difference? Others will undoubtedly argue that every bit of extra battery helps, especially as phones get more powerful and displays more immersive. What do you think? Incremental progress, or should Samsung have pushed for something bigger? And this is the part most people miss. The S26 Pro is also rumored to feature a brand new primary camera sensor. Sadly, Samsung is keeping the specifics tightly under wraps for now. But for those passionate about smartphone photography, this kind of upgrade could be a game changer depending on what tech Samsung actually delivers. The expected Galaxy S26 family tree is equally interesting. The S26 Pro will be joined by an S26 Edge model, set to replace the Plus variant, and, naturally, the top-of-the-line S26 Ultra. This subtle remapping of the lineup hints at a bolder strategy from Samsung, maybe responding to changing consumer preferences. Or perhaps an attempt to keep pace with fierce competition. But here's a question for you. Is Samsung making the right move by shuffling its naming convention and only modestly upgrading its battery? Or are they playing it too safe at a time when innovation is more critical than ever? Jump into the comments. Would you prefer a bigger battery, or is the new camera sensor where it's at for you?